here it is. This has been pretty much untouched since 2010. I'm shaking just thinking about all the projects that were done in here. Wow, look at all that wire. Oh, nice.
Snipper for wire.
Is that like a wire stripper as well? Oh yeah, it says it on there.
It's a wire stripper. Some of this stuff could actually be really helpful back.
Wow, look at all that.
In the shop.
Some beefy nails and screws.
This might have been his running bag or something. Got a water bottle. Or maybe this was something else. What's in this bag though?
That is some severely aged wine. I'm so scared this is gonna explode because it's like decaying on the top.
That would be a sweet bag to have. There's a lot of stuff down here.
Yeah.
Not enough time to go through it either.
No, it's literally everywhere. There's just shelves and shelves of tools and material.
It really is shelves upon shelves of just stuff to go through. That's what happens when your grandfather is a crazy mechanic, tech, builder guy. Not really, I wouldn't say tech, but I'd say builder for sure. He built all sorts of stuff.
Indeed.
Off. On. Chicago. It's made in USA.
It's like a brick. I don't know. It's metal. It's just painted.
It's got an opening in it. Huh.
We do not have all the knowledge of
Look at the patterning
tools.
on that.
There's more wire.
Of nuts. Wait, what's in there? There better not be freaking nuts in here.
No, it's probably screws or something.
Oh, nails.
Nails.
And a
Close
plug
enough.
head.
Look, more wire. Oh,
Wire.
what gauge is that? I'm guessing that's 10?
Dude, the sooner we beat... Because not only does it have drawers, but it's got sections.
Oh my gosh.
So...
Yeah, it's a nice little organizer drawer.
We have a label maker, so I can relabel all of this.
It's missing one drawer. Gotta see if we can find
Central Lab. I'm okay with
it. Is that a soldering iron? It is.
Hey.
I think that's a soldering iron.
I still need something like that. Because we've got one.
Yeah, we have one soldering iron,
we have
so
one.
the clone can
Is
have
this-
this one.
We got another organizer. There's a little shop vac. Ah, shop collector. That's my bad, shop collector. Dad didn't even need to buy one.
Oh my god, there's a sink. Oh, you filled the sink with just random stuff. How old is this detergent?
I don't want to know.
More storage.
We got more.
Ooh,
Wait, is there stuff in there?
This is in pretty nice shape, actually.
Hold on, get that down, put that down.
Yeah. Oh, are those, they look like resistors.
That's drawer one. Oh, there's all different kinds. Oh no, there's a lot of the same. Oh, we got minis.
What is that? Please tell me. He's laughing, and I don't know what this is.
Mans was mixing drinks on the go.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Mixing drinks on the go. You're shitting me.
Huh.
Oh my god. Okay, it's missing quite a few pieces. Actually, no, it's not.
Wow, what is this?
In here?
Oh, there's Dremel bits in here.
I was about to say, what's in there?
Oh, wow. There's sanding bits.
Oh, there's so much.
Grinding bits.
There's a Dremel in here.
No way.
There's a
There's an
whole
actual Dremel. Oh my
Wizard
god.
Dremel. I'm gonna just start stacking stuff that I'm gonna ask like.
There's no
don't
way
need
we're
all
gonna
these
hit rock
gloves.
bottom in here. We're scraping the surface with how much stuff is in here.
So I'm not gonna take all the gloves. We'll take two, so we each have one.
Yeah.
Those are left-handed. So
Is
that's
there
not,
another?
like,
Is that another Dremel? Oh
Yeah,
my
there's Dremels
god,
everywhere.
dude! What?
More storage.
Those are some fat switches.
They were just in here. The thick solder.
I am currently out of solder at home. There is a lot of solder here.
Alright, add it to the pile.
This will all be mine.
Hoop glue.
I've been defeated by glue.
So there's an empty glass of wine, whole bottle. I think I know where it went.
That's so cool.
He's got 3.
Look at this fat solder.
He's got 2. Oh, more solder?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Well, I keep almost tipping over this wine bottle and there's still wine in it. I'm so afraid it's just gonna explode.
It's a hand drill.
Oh.
It's a hand drill.
Electric screwdriver. There's a strange package. Oh.
Oh, it's full of bits for like a glue gun.
Wait, okay, push these out.
Cobalt, really old bolt.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, old drill.
It's so dirty.
Really old. Did that turn on for a second?
Yep.
Wait. Change the battery.
That was out of power, too. Bits. Like, a couple of them are missing. One is actually broken in half.
In half.
What is in there? Another mystery box.
Craftsman. It's another drill.
Oh my god, dude, why?
Ooh, is that a trickle charger? Oh, it's a battery charger. Put that on the pile. Ow. Put that on the pile, I guess.
Oh, bro, a moment. There's another drill. Ew, dude, the foam in the stand. The foam is just degraded into powder.
I need this suitcase. I love this kind of foam.
Is this a handheld lantern? What is this? This brass looks like it could fit Mega, actually.
Nope, too small.
Vintage Mega?
Maybe.
Interesting.
They don't turn very well.
Well, I imagine they're over a decade old at least.
Look at some of these. Look at
Everything
this.
here is at least a decade old.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait.
What? Is that for a turning signal in a car?
The bag is full. Oh my god.
So cool. Wow.
Where did you find that?
I found it under here in the sink.
Where rock and roll lives. No shot. If this pops open and there's like a little cassette thing in here, I'm gonna frickin'. Oh, because it was plugged in for so long, it's in great condition.
If that actually has them in there. Oh.
This box though would be so cool.
What you got there, buddy?
Old Pioneer speakers.
Very nice. Very nice. We found Big Henry. Oh no. He found the propane torch. Oh, no.
This is probably really.
What is Enerjet? Motorcycle battery. Wow. It looks pretty unused. Look at this. If there's actually a Macintosh in here, I am gonna freak out.
Oh, this says pictures on it. No, it's full of pictures.
Ew.
In a rat's nest.
Ah.
That's disappointing.
God damn it. I found the brass. It's just so dull, I couldn't see it. I don't even know what this is. It looks like it might be half-inch brass. I'm pretty sure by looking at the lines on here, this used to be a Nerf basketball. It's not, the foam didn't degrade or anything. It's very strong. Definitely not gonna hurt anything. Oh, it's gone. Oh, there it is. I think this got in the frame in the first part of the video. This is a transceiver for a boat, and we just sort of found parts to it sitting around as we were digging. But I don't know how old this is, but it's yellowed, so I'm guessing it's from the 70s? 80s, maybe?
I went to an old boat.
that's all we really needed. I don't think we looked through absolutely everything, but we found quite a few drills, a couple Dremels, and tools that I've never seen before and don't know what they do. It makes me wish I knew a lot more about tools than I do, because I don't think I'm ever gonna get to come back down here, which is why me and my clone raided this today. So yeah, it's a mess, but it's not much more of a mess than it was when we came down here. Turn the light off and show you a little bit more what's down here. There's actually a workbench over there. I don't want to walk over there because there's cobwebs absolutely everywhere, and I don't want to walk through that. And in here, there's an old Gorf arcade machine that hasn't turned on in many years, possibly decades. It's pretty cool though. What I noticed while I was looking around in there is there were no springs, like at all. So I can say I have springs but no sanity, and my grandfather has sanity but no springs. And with that, I'm out of here.